Okay, so let's see. Welcome to today's streaming. My name is Peter. I always get you back. As we prepare for the new week, what we're trying to look in Volatility 75, and the reason why we're sticking to just one in synthetic index is because this market is so volatile. Growing accounts can be very quick. So I just need you to know where you belong. If you find anything that works for you, you don't really have to try this one, but if you find something that really works for you, just go ahead and choose it. But make sure you're able to manage your risk as well. And that's why I have a template just designed for you where you're able to risk dynamically. You're able to know the trade that how much you're able to risk if you end up losing. And if you win, you also know the amount you're going to risk based on your account size. Yeah, so okay, we just go on and see what we are looking for this week. Now, um, on this, on the, what you can be able to say is we've been able to push down um, um, for the last previous week. So I don't know whether this week is going to play that good, but hypothetically, what you're able to observe is we need to see maybe the market be able to push down. So this week might not expand that much. Well, as we try to maybe retrace to this area where we see a lot of volume traded, but there was no that much movement. So, and this is what we're trying to say is how we low expectation because we don't know how it's going to turn out. But at the same time, we don't want to be fixated with the idea that we must go back to that point because we always don't know what the market is doing and what's going to happen. So the idea is you just have maybe what you're looking for and now act based on what the market is telling you, not what you're thinking. Yeah, because if in any case you end up acting based on what you're thinking, we might end up trading or putting in a trade that says we buy because we think that we're supposed to retrace to this area. Yet the market is telling us we're pushing down. So that's why we have to act based on what the market is telling us. So anyway, as we look forward for this new week, just hanging tight. I'll be able to try and have maybe live stream so that we can be able to trade together, learn together, and be able to make money together. So yeah, cheers, and look forward to see you on the live stream soon.